Okay, as we take a look here at the top, no big issue with the header or heading. Um, so when we get down here, I'm not sure why you did all these returns. That's what the page break's for. So we want to delete all these returns, okay? So that way you don't have, might throw off your layout and so forth. So you use the page break. The page break is going to force it to a new page. That's why you have over here. Now, problem that you have here is your citations page. It's not formatted correctly. You can see here it says Calibri 11. Chapter 14 talks about going in and modifying the style and making sure it's the same style that we want. Because what happens is there's a default style and you have to update the style section. And so you might remember this from chapter 14. The easiest thing to do is to just format this. And first of all, you can't have blue text. You never have blue text. So this has to be Times New Roman 12, black, double spaced, and so forth. Now, with that said, the information you have down here, this information from Pearson is wrong. And for your website, if this is a website link, I want you to go in and include the URL as well. So if I go up to references, one thing I want to do here, I'm going to manage your sources. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here's what the book, our textbook, will look like. So I'm going to click on edit here. It's just going to show you. I have it listed as a book. And the main author is Gaskin. So you're going to put her last name first, followed by her first name. And then you're going to put all the other four authors in. And with this said, then you're going to put, it's the opposite. You put the first name first, then the last name. So always the main author, the last name goes first because it helps for sorting alphabetically. Then the title of the book goes in the title. Let's go, exclamation point, all in one, computer concepts and applications. If we look up the copyright, it's 2017. Boston is the city. There's a whole list of cities, but you choose the first one in the list. And then Pearson, online. And we always have to turn on show all bibliography fields because in this case, we need to put in third edition. So I'm going to move this over so you can see what it looks like compared to that. So for this one, like your identity theft trends and issues, when you edit this, so let me click on edit here. So you have a website, okay, web page name and so forth. Turn on show all bibliography fields and then copy and paste the URL to the URL section. Okay. Now, here's what happened when you went in and you inserted this. You didn't really insert the right bibliography. Okay. So what happened is we wanted you to type in works cited, and then we wanted you to come to bibliography. What you did is you chose works cited here. That puts the blue text and everything. We want you to use insert bibliography down here, and then you have to go back in and format this to be Times New Roman 12, unless you change your style. Double space, and then my layout, I'm going to change the page spacing afterwards to be 0. Okay, look at the textbook, see the difference in the two textbooks. So we got update data.